Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie and the Princess Charm School dress on Dress to Impress. So I don't think we need VIP for this, except for the crown, but we're going to get this top here and I'm just going to try to color it as best as I can. There's like a purple version and like a magenta version. I'm going to do like the magenta one here in foil. I'm gonna make it a little bit more pink, maybe like this. I'm just going to save that color, and then I'm going to get this in that color in foil as well. And then again, this part I'm going to color it like this, like yellow gold kind of vibe. And like glitter, I think. I'm just going to make it a little bit warmer like this maybe. And then the rest I'm just going to do foil and that like same paint color. Like so. Then for the skirt, I'm going to go to the code section here. I'm going to get this skirt. I'm going to color it this in foil, actually in metallic, just a little bit darker though. And then I'm just going to color that in silk maybe. Yeah, in silk. And then for the bow, I'm going to do this gold in glitter. Then I'm going to get this skirt from Codes. And then I'm just going to adjust the colors the same. So this one in metallic, make it a little bit darker. This one the same as the one on top. And then the rest I'm just going to do metallic in that color. Like so. And then for the dress, I'm going to get the skirt here and only skirt in that color. Well, it doesn't really matter if I change the texture of it. Then I'm going to get this skirt here in that color in metallic as well. And then you can layer on a few more skirts if you would like to. Like this one in only skirt. Same here, metallic. I really don't know what shoes she wears here, so I'm just going to pick up the shoe in that same color. And then for the necklace, I'm going to use this one in the second toggle. Then I'm going to color this part pink. Then I'm going to also use this one. And I'm going to like kind of scale it up a little bit. Whoops. And like place it down here. And color that the same too. Lastly, for the crown, I'm just going to use this too in like silver. I think her crown is all silver, but I'm going to make the diamonds the same color as her dress. Make some few minor adjustments here. Get this too. And the same color. And that is it. Super simple in my opinion, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.